We're doing our little gig, our opening, you can say.
It's an album release.
We're dropping an album, new hit, new thing, new wonders. Finally, because we've been doing a little, gigs here and there at GSB's, and you can say, yeah, checkpoints and also. But now we're finally going worldwide, you can say. We're dropping on YouTube.
On top of TikTok, Instagram, top of everything. Our songs are basically everywhere now. You can find it really everywhere.
Yeah, and a little bit of how we started, you can say it was a group project. At first, it was a joke at, well, the origin at Filomena Mavo, you can say. We started in the classroom, basically joking around, gigging around. And then we started saying, yeah, you know what? We could take it, go further. And we decided to, yeah, let's start a band. So basically, yeah, we started with the names, like, I don't know, the raccoons. And then, yeah, somehow we came up with the name, the Rokkeros. And yeah, everyone started, playing their little instruments and thing. And then, yeah, we ended up here now. You could say we could say we did come far.
Yes, we did come far. Hey, I remember everything started in San Nicolas at our school, Filomena Mavo. We just saw class talking about, yo, it would be pretty cool if you start a band, And to be like, yeah, let's start a band. And at first we said, yo, I often learn that instrument. And then after a year, the band finally came it finally came together, and we started to do jam session, songs like Nirvana, Radiohead, just a bunch of rock songs we used to train, and then we developed is our own sound, from playing all those different bands as we merge. It is what we like into one. Marvin Gaye, Jimi Hendrix, a lot of different is other artists. I think is we took inspiration of them. Well, not trying to steal anything, but we just took inspiration about what we like, and as we came, it's to us now. It's Rokkeros. It's a genre we play. As we play genres, there is not really much one genre I can say we play almost everything. We play like a mix of rock, maybe sometimes jazz, sometimes it's a little chill. It's the best word is to describe our music is very chill, very soft and too calm and nice.
Laid back, you could say.
Yeah, laid back. That's what we can say about our music.
Mhm. Anto no sa yiga kinanang pa traha album ki isa ke dan kina Lions Club ku hindi ko conhecer a bisa das você sabe do abos tem talento anto yeah mi que não sai uma oportunidade assim na grandi antiora se não chega na Rubin masha danki ku ajuda di Dani e Sheila Maduro op danki pa oportunidade aqui.
Yeah, so when we got to working on the album, Rubin helped us a lot. He made sure we were on timing, the tempo was good, and he made sure that we were on key as well, so nothing would sound weird. And as all that came together, we managed to find the right tones and everything to get the music going. And then we put the drums, the guitars, everything in together. And then at last, I had my voice put in so I can do my thing with my singing, and the lyrics and everything was already done, so we wouldn't have to worry, and it went pretty smooth.
Thinking about the album right now, pinukumpore makina ku miloas yung partek de uno e lo que me pobisa cita ku etafon patra.
Sì, agreed. Dado fun para recordar album, então yeah, nós durante nos tempo para bingo nos ideia não junto, então assim nós patrão com server, então daqui na Rubin também, com a set coding.